Get it, Ellie.
What are you doing, Ellie?
You're supposed to open it.
She doesn't know. I get to teach her.
You could have gotten her a whole lot more boxes with nothing in it.
I know it.
If this was what you were after. Oh, look at this.
Here on the sides.
You're gonna trouble.
Poor Lucky.
I know.
Started it.
He's just a grumpy old dog.
I'll have to show you after a while. I'll probably get the chance. He won't mind me about anything. So when he's been grumpy, and I tell him to go in the other room, get up and just ball in the other room. It's all dejected. He'll mind me when I tell him to leave.
She is studying that like crazy.
Where are you going for dinner?